Hey guys, so I'm still preparing to do the one chip challenge with Joe from Graves Geek Life. So here's another set of spicy noodles. I've never had these ones before. My wife got these for me. The noodles are kind of bigger than normal Mr. Noodle kind of stuff, but let's see how it is. Holy. Oh, Malcolm. I just had to get Malcolm over here so he could try these.
Oh, God.
Because these are not what we're used to. Oh. Yeah, right, bud.
I feel like I'm a dragon about to breathe fire breath. Oh. Oh, God.
I mean, how am I going to do the paqui one chip challenge if
No.
my gums hurt?
Oh, yeah, my lips hurt.
Yep.
I need water.
You are gonna win because you love hair. No time.
Alright, I'll be right back.